The first Epistle of Clement to the Corinthians. Chapter 2. How their divisions began. All honor and enlargement was given unto you, and so was fulfilled that which is written, my beloved did eat and drink, he was enlarged and waxed fat, and he kicked. From hence came emulation and envy and strife and sedition, persecution and disorder, war and captivity. So they who were of no renown lifted up themselves against the honorable, those of no reputation against those who were in respect, the foolish against the wise, the young men against the aged. Therefore righteousness and peace are departed from you, because every one hath forsaken the fear of God, and is grown blind in his faith, nor walketh by the rule of God's commandments, nor liveth as is fitting in Christ. But every one follows his own wicked lusts, having taken up an unjust and wicked envy, by which death first entered into the world.